Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from OKX exchange in 2025. Whether you're cashing out for everyday use or transferring to another wallet, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. By 2025, OKX might have some updated features, but the core process stays straightforward. Let's dive in. First, ensure you're logged into your OKX account. Head to the OKX website or app and sign in with your email, phone, or other verified method. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, yet, do it now. It's a must for protecting your funds. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. This is usually found on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Scroll or search for USDT. Select USDT. Then click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose the network, like Tron, Ethereum, or another compatible one. Pick the right one based on where you're sending your USDT. Next, enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to avoid costly mistakes. Then, input the amount you want to withdraw and review any fees or minimum limits displayed. Before confirming, OKX will ask for 2FA verification. Enter the code from your authenticator app. Hit confirm, and your withdrawal request will be processed. Finally, keep an eye on your transaction status in the OKX app or on the Blockchain Explorer. It could take minutes to hours, depending on network congestion. And remember, always withdraw to a wallet you control, never rush. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn USDT from OKX in 2025 style. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.